what's up? So, are you also planning to get married, but are you also overwhelmed with the fact that you know how much of money your wedding is gonna cost you? Trust me, I know guys, बहुत खर्चे का काम है यार शादी करना. But hey, here's a solution guys. What if I tell you you can decorate your own wedding, you know, the wedding of your dreams in a budget? What's up guys, welcome back to our BAJA budget weddings. This is Jamie. Long time no see. I know, I'm sorry, but hey guys, I'm back and we're gonna have a lot of new videos coming up on our channel. In today's video, we are going to do a DIY wedding decor background, you know, a beautiful dreamy fairy tale kind of a backdrop. Guys, check it out. So this particular backdrop, you can actually use it for maybe your Roka function. You know, I thought maybe an engagement function that you're setting up at your home, or maybe a reception, any kind of bridal functions that you have. And I'm going to show you how to set this up from scratch. So I'm going to show you, you know, in total what all you need to do, and it's very easy. Just check out the video, and by the end of the video you're going to learn how to set up this backdrop all by yourself. Let's get started guys. So firstly we're going to see how you can make these floral hoops. So to start with, I have metal hoops here. I also have some artificial creepers, artificial leaves, and this beautiful pretty candle holder and some artificial flowers. So you can make use of a synthetic thread to tie these artificial leaves to the metal hoops. Make sure you tie it properly so that it doesn't become loose or doesn't come off. Check out how it's looking guys. Also, I'm gonna tie some of the artificial leaves and some artificial flowers in the upper part of the hoop so that you know it looks even pretty when the flowers are distributed throughout the hoop. Check this out guys. I'm also gonna tie the candle holder to the hoop now. तो गाइज हमने ये जो बनाया है इसको फ्लोरल रीथ डेकोरेशन या फिर हुला हुप डेकोर भी बोल सकते हो. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी पिंटरेस्ट चेक कर लिया है आपकी शादी प्लानिंग के लिए, तो आई एम श्योर कि आपने ये वाला डेकोर आइडिया देखा होगा, बिकॉज दिस पर्टिकुलर डेकोर इज़ वेरी फेमस ऑन पिंटरेस्ट. मैंने बहुत सारे देखे हैं पिंटरेस्ट में इनके पिक्चर्स. आई जस्ट शो यू अ कपल ऑफ देम फॉर रेफरेंस. Guys, I just want to take like 1 minute of your time and tell you, in case you want to DIY your wedding functions. So, BAJA Budget Weddings has its own online store where you can shop a lot of wedding decoration props and DIY your weddings. Check it out guys. I have like more than 70 to 80 wedding decoration backdrop ideas on my store. All the links are in the description box below. Do go check out the online store. Get your wedding decoration props and DIY your weddings, your dream weddings in a budget. So now that I've done the promotion of my online store, let's get back to the video guys. Let's check out कि ये जो floral wreath हमने बनाया है इसको आप backdrop पे कैसे setup कर सकते हो. Let's continue. So this decor you can set up in your house, you know, maybe in a garden, in your venue, anywhere guys. I'm setting it up in my living room, and to start with I want to tell you, in case if you have a curtain space and a curtain rod space, you can set your backdrop there. You can set your backdrop cloth there, but I'm going to use a backdrop stand, and I've purchased this particular stand from Amazon. I'm going to put the link in description. So this particular stand is an adjustable stand and it can go up to 9 by 9 feet. Also guys, it's totally okay in case you don't have a proper backdrop stand or a frame. You know, you don't need to buy something online for 2,000-3,000 rupees. There are a lot of ways in which you can set up cost-effective backdrop frames all by yourself at home very smartly. So I actually have a video here. I'm going to show you I'm going to put up the link here. Do check out the video in case you want to know how you can DIY a backdrop stand all by yourself. Guys, before you put the backdrop cloth, make sure it is crease free. Okay, so before one day of the function, you know, make sure कि आप अपना backdrop cloth थोड़ा सा इस्त्री कर ले so that it's totally wrinkle free. ये चीज़ का ध्यान रखना. मैं know these little things actually matters a lot. So I'm using a combination of white and pink backdrop cloth here. Another quick tip guys, in case you want to increase the depth of your backdrop, I'm using a net cloth here. So this is a transparent net cloth that I'm using. It basically increases the depth of your background. So I'm adding some frills on the top, as you can see. It just makes your backdrop look even more prettier. Now I also have this artificial leaves creeper here that I'm gonna attach on top of the backdrop stand. Guys, in case you want to purchase any of these props, you know, including these artificial leaves, it is available in my online wedding store. Do go check out the link in description. I'm gonna attach these particular creepers on top of my backdrop stand using these clamps. So these clamps are available on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in description. Guess what, guys? I think it's already looking really pretty and I'm really excited, how the entire look is gonna turn out into. Now I'm gonna go grab some artificial flowers. I've picked the flowers differently, so you can pick whatever is your color combination of your backdrop. You can choose those particular colors of flowers. Now check out the floral hoops that we've already kept ready and decorated. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a woolen thread. So this is a very thick thread and I'm gonna hang these particular hoops onto my backdrop stand using the thread. So guys, a quick tip, whatever is the color of your backdrop cloth, use that particular color of thread so that it is not seen. So here I'm using a white thread since my backdrop is also white in color. Now right now the backdrop that you see is 6 by 6 feet, so 4 hoops are like more than enough. In case you're setting up like 9 by 9 feet, I think you will need around 6 to 7 hoops to totally cover up the entire backdrop. I also have these battery operated LED candles which are really pretty and I'm gonna place them inside the candle holders. Now guys, in case you want real candles, use tea light candles. So these small candles are called as tea light candles. You can purchase them and then use them to illuminate your backdrop and place them in candle holders. So guys, now that our backdrop is all ready, I'm gonna set up the seat. So you can set up a bridal seat or a seat for the groom or both according to the occasion. I have a black old sofa here and I've just covered it up tightly with a white bed sheet. You can also try the same hack and see how it works. I'm also gonna use a small wooden stool here. I got this from Amazon. This is really cute and small. I also have this pearl LED tree lamp. This is a really beautiful one and it's a complete DIY. I might make another video on how to DIY this. It's really pretty, guys. And yeah, a pink cushion and some artificial pot plants just to decorate the entire area. I'm also gonna use bird cages. Bird cages is one of my most favorite things to be used in wedding decor. I really think that bird cages brings a whole fairy tale kind of a vibe to the whole decor. So I'm just using really basic plastic stools here and I'm covering them up with a white cloth so that obviously it is not seen what I'm using beneath. Guys, in case you want to purchase any of these props, including the bird cages, you can check out my online wedding store. It's available there. Check out the link in description box. I have a feeling anything can look pretty if you actually add some fairy lights to it, and which is actually true also, especially if it's a night wedding or an evening decor. Just add some fairy lights and just see कि कितना ज़्यादा dreamy लगता है यार, कितना ज़्यादा fairy tale वाला effect आ जाता है. Check it out. So we have actually added some fairy lights onto the decor and just take a look, how that fairy lights is actually, given the whole dreamy vibe to the whole decor. So guys, this is how the entire setup looks. I really hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. Let me know in the comment section below how did you like the video and if you want to redecorate this entire setup for your own wedding function. Guys, in case you are new to my channel, in case you are watching my video for the first time, or in case you keep watching my videos but you have never subscribed to my channel, please do take a moment and subscribe to our channel. We have almost reaching 100k subscribers, and subscribe to our channel and get these kind of new videos every week, every Wednesday, DIY wedding decoration ideas and videos. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you really liked today's backdrop setup that we made. Let me know in the comment section below कि आपको आज का setup कैसा लगा. Let me know what more we could have improved. Let me know कि आप क्या देखना चाहते हो. Whatever is your feedback, let me know in the comment section below, guys. See you next week with another wedding video, another amazing wedding decoration video that I'm already working on. So in case you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do take a moment and subscribe, and do check out the online wedding store where you can get a lot of cost effective beautiful wedding decoration props that you can set up all by yourself. Do check it out, guys. All the details are there in the description box below. Bye bye, see you, take care and lots of love.